Hello. Yes, today I want to talk about the Binance CashLink. Many of you might have heard about it. I don't know. It's most likely that many of you have heard about the Binance CashLink. Okay, so there are some things I want to point out. First of all, I realize that the Binance CashLink is a welcome idea. First things first, what are the things that it's meant to do? It brought back um, fiat deposit in Nigeria, that is directly depositing via fiat in Nigeria. And it also ensures that there is ease of crypto in Nigeria, which is also a very welcome idea. We've always had issues with depositing our fiat directly on the Binance platform, and considering the fact that many cards are no longer even working. In fact, almost all the cards are not even working on all these crypto payment platforms. Not even all the crypto payment platforms, on many other platforms entirely in Nigeria. So this is my Binance account, and this is actually on my P2P page. So don't mind my P2P page. So if you want to navigate to where you see your cash link, because I actually got an email from Binance that says that there is 1 million naira up for grasps. Actually, it's not for one person; it's to be shared amongst groups of people. Okay, so for those who did at least 50,000 naira worth of NGN in your Binance account, the first 200 people to complete the deposit of at least 50,000 naira worth of NGN cash link will qualify to win a one-time 10% cashback reward on a first come first served basis. All right. So that is that for that. So if you are not registered already on Binance, you can, if you want to, use my link in the description of this YouTube video. You also please should subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just trying to bring back the whole of my YouTube stuff. It's been a long time I did this, so I stopped for a long time and I'm trying to bring it back. Even if you check my channel, you will realize that no videos is there. So I'm just trying to restart. So this video might not really be all that. Just forgive me, pardon me. I'm getting in the mode again. All right. So if you want to go to the cash link, how do I get to cash link? You come here on buy crypto once you are logged in. Then you come to bank transfer. You click on this. You say open. You open it however you want to open it. Previously when you come to buy crypto like this, there is usually something else there. I think bank or something. I can't remember what is there. But now we're saying that with cash link. Okay. So now once you open this page, is opening right now. So the first things first is your currency. Your currency obviously is NGN as a Nigerian. Then you click on bank transfer. I think that is the most convenient, obviously. So you click on bank transfer. If you can see here, it's telling you zero fee, but merchant may charge fee. Yes, zero fee. Binance is not charging you anything to use this cash link, right? But the third party person, which is the P2P person that you might be meeting from or courtesy of CashLink, will be charging you 100 naira. All of them charges 100 naira. Okay, so now look at it. So if you, for example, say continue, it's telling me I have an ongoing order, which is this order, basically. Which is this order, basically. All right, so what happened is that it will ask you to enter the amount that you want to enter, that you want to buy. Then it will bring out a list of people that you would have to pick from, just one of them. So one of the things I observed is that all the accounts I've been seeing since the day I've been trying this thing like 2 days ago, they are all CUDA accounts. So what I think is happening here is that I think CashLink is able to harness CUDA's API, making sure that once a payment drops in any of these accounts, it is automatically credited to you, which means you don't have to wait. There are no delays. I suppose I've not tried it. There are no delays. It is instant and all that stuff. That is what makes it unique. It's like using your credit card to do this online payment. However, in this situation, I'll only be getting 4,900 naira, which means there is 100 naira fee included. One of the advantages, or one of the advantages of yeah, one of the advantages of this is that it makes it all easy, to be able to deposit your naira. And one thing I notice is, and why I opened this my P2P NGN page, is because before, all these prices were not 1 naira to 1 naira. They were 0.98, 0.99, 0.97, 0.9, whatever. Which means that you are buying naira at an expensive amount to fund your Binance wallet. But right now, since the introduction of CashLink, every of these merchants here, or every of these P2P person here, have also defaulted back to 1 naira, which is 1 to 1. So I think right now that they are doing 1 to 1, if you can wait the time, because I think CashLink is instant, and I think this one is still manual, the normal P2P, that individuals who contact here will still have to confirm your payment. So both of them are good, just depending on how willing you are, or if you directly want to have any contact with, maybe the merchant, you can still use the P2P. If you want to make it instant, you can use the CashLink. So that is basically what Binance has introduced. And if you are looking at getting this offer and you have not signed up before, you may sign up with my link, just like I repeated the last time. And let's take it from there. Let's take it from there. So that is my YouTube video coming back in a very long time. I hope I tried though. I hope I tried. The next videos I should probably, you know, start revealing my face again. So thank you for watching this video, if you watch it at all, and please leave some positive feedback as well as subscribe. Yes, thank you.